Welcome. It's Facts You Don't Know. If it's your first time here and you want to find out new facts that will definitely make you smarter and more, well, and first make sure to subscribe and activate the notification bell so you don't miss anything.
String tugging tale with photos of a dog supposedly saving an abandoned newborn child is creating misty eyes among social media users. In November 2015, social media around the globe were awash in photographs of a dog seemingly carrying a newborn child with umbilical cord still attached in its mouth, with accompanying text proclaiming that the canine had found the child abandoned on the street and had carried it to safety. A dog found a newborn child that had been abandoned in the street by his mother. The dog took the baby in her mouth while avoiding hurting him and put him in front of a house. Thanks to this dog, the baby today is alive and in perfect health. Verifying the veracity of these images has proved difficult, as the accompanying text typically makes no mention of details, such as time and place. Some iterations of the message do mention location, but attribute the story to multiple, wide-varying parts of the world. Similar reports regarding dog rescues of abandoned children have certainly appeared in the news media over the years, sometimes in tandem by photographs that have no actual connection to the story being reported. But none of them appears related to this iteration. The most common version of this item holds that it occurred somewhere in or around Saudi Arabia, as reported in the Saudi publication Sada. A picture went viral in Saudi Arabia this week showing a dog carrying a newborn baby in its mouth to take her to a nearby house, where she was rushed to hospital. The Saudi daily Sada said it does not know whether the incident took place in the Gulf Kingdom or another country, but it added that the dog saved the baby's life. Those who posted the picture said the dog carried the baby to the nearest house, whose dwellers rushed her to the hospital. The baby's life was saved by the dog, the paper said, adding that the baby was apparently dumped by her mother near a waste bin. At this point, we don't know yet whether these photos were authentic, rather than capturing something that was staged, whether the backstory attributed to them about a dog finding and rescuing an abandoned newborn is accurate, or the time and place of their setting. Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video in social networks. We'll be right back to you as fast as we can.